This is the MPU6050. It's one of the most popular sensors in the world for DIY electronics, drones, and robots. But how this tiny chip actually knows which way is up or how fast it's spinning? Down into two parts, the accelerometer and the gyroscope. A tiny ball inside a box. If the box is still on a table, the ball sits on the floor because gravity is pulling it down. If you tilt the ball slides and hits a wall. By sensing which wall the ball is touching, the sensor knows which way gravity is pulling. The MPU6050, there aren't actual balls, but tiny microscopic structures that bend when gravity pulls on them. This tells the sensor if it is lying flat, tilted, or standing on its side. What if you spin around? The accelerometer is great at finding down, but it's not very good at tracking fast spins. That's where the gyroscope comes in. Inside the chip, there are tiny silicon parts that are constantly vibrating back and forth really fast. When you rotate the sensor, the vibration gets pushed to the side because of something called the Coriolis Effect. The MPU6050 measures the tiny push and turns it into a number that tells your computer exactly how fast you are rotating. MPU6050 is a 6-axis sensor. It has 3 axes for the accelerometer, left, right, forward, back, up, down, and 3 axes for the gyroscope, roll, pitch, and yaw. The accelerometer is like a level. It's slow but accurate at finding the ground. The gyroscope is like a sprinter. It's very fast at tracking motion but gets confused over time. By combining both, the MPU6050 gives you a smooth, rock solid measurement of how your device is moving in 3D space. Building a self balancing robot or a flight controller for a drone. This tiny chip is the inner ear that makes it all possible. And that's how the MPU6050 works. Simple, right? Thanks for watching. Subscribe.